Hi, Mark Hammond, General Sales Manager here at Conicelli Honda, bringing some exciting news to our valued customers. Honda's offering loyalty savings up to $1,250 on finance or leasing a new Honda. That's right, all you have to do to qualify is have anyone in your household own any 2014 or newer Honda. You do not need to trade that car in. Whether you're considering an upgrade or simply just plan on adding another Honda to your family, now is the perfect time to take advantage of this offer. Choose to finance or lease a new 2024 Accord gas model and get $1,250 off, or get $750 off of the CR-V gas model and all new Pilots. If you want a truck, the Honda Ridgeline has $500 finance or lease loyalty, just like the other cars. If you just want to lease a new Honda, the 2024 Passport has $1,000 lease loyalty. The Accord Hybrid and the Odyssey have $750 lease loyalty, while the CR-V Hybrid, Civic Sedan, and HR-V all have $500 lease loyalty. Remember, this is in addition to our already low prices at Conicelli Honda. Come visit us at Conicelli Honda at 1100 Ridge Pike in Conshohocken to take advantage of the Honda Loyalty Appreciation Offer and enjoy the latest features, technology, safety advancements, and great pricing on your new Honda. In addition, you'll get 2 years complimentary maintenance on your new Honda. It's never been a better time to stop in. Thank you for being a valued member of the Honda family. We look forward to the opportunity to serve you and help you drive off in your new Honda from Conicelli Honda, a nice place to do business.